Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to see how to install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows and also how to install JDK on Windows. So the first thing we need to install is the JDK, the Java Development Kit. So to install JDK, just go to Google and search for download JDK. And we want to choose this. So click on this one which says the downloads Oracle Technology Network. So click on that and then you'll end up on this page, and this page will show you the latest JDK. So I will just download this, which is the latest, and you'll just click here to download and then accept the terms and conditions there. Then for your system, choose the correct version. So I'm on Windows 64-bit, so I will just choose this one and go ahead and download it. I've already downloaded mine, so let's just go and install it. So just find the downloaded file and then you can double click on it. So please note that I'm on Windows 8.1, and if you are on Windows 10, then you can just do the same thing. So next, and let this finish, and then when we come back, we are going to see how you can add the JDK to your path variables on Windows. So I will see you in a moment. So once the installation is complete, just click on close. And then the next process is now to add the JDK variable to your path. You need to add JDK to your path variables on Windows. So if you come here into your folders, then you go inside of your PC. So if you're in Windows 8.1, you can follow along with me. If you're in Windows 10, I think this is called My PC. So just right click on this and then go to Properties. And then under Advanced, then here click on Environment Variables, and then where we have System Variables, whether you're on Windows 8, whether you're on Windows 8.1 or you're on Windows 10, you're going to have this. So just scroll down until you find Path. You are looking for Path, so double click on this, and on this we need to add the JDK path variable. So on this we need to add the path to where JDK is installed. So just scroll to the end of the line, and at the end of the line you need to add the path to your JDK. Where JDK was installed, you need to add that path. So let's go and find the path for where JDK is installed. And if I come here, I can go inside of the local disk where your programs are installed. And under program files, if you are on a 64-bit, you'll go under program files. If you're on a 32-bit, you'll go here. So I'll click on that, and then let's look for Java, and there we have the Java folder, and you can see we have version 13.1 installed, 13 installed. And under bin, this is a folder we need to add the link to. So I'll just copy that, copy this path, and then come back here, and at the end of this line we'll add a semicolon and then add the path. So once you add the semicolon, just paste in the path, and you can add another semicolon so that in future if you need to add any other variables, you can just add them without adding the semicolon. In my case, I'll just click OK, and if I open terminal, so right click on this and then open command prompt, and let's type javac, and if you see all this coming up, then your path variables is being recognized. But if you don't see this, then you have messed up somewhere and you need to follow along again just to see what you did wrong. So once you do that, the next process is installing intellij. So intellij, you can just go to Google and then search for download intellij, and then you'll click this link to download intellij from JetBrains, and then you'll come here and you'll download the community edition. So I'm sure you know how to install and download applications, so I'm not going to go through this process, but once you're done with this, I will see you in the next video when we start writing some code in Kotlin. So I will see you in the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And if at any point you get lost or you get stuck, feel free to reach me, or you can just use Google to search for the exact error you're receiving on your end. So I will see you in the next video.